What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to pair a phone to a 2022 Toyota Sienna using the Bluetooth. Like I said, I'm demonstrating on a 22 Sienna in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. And I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone's settings, go into your Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen, if we're not already there, go ahead and click the phone button right here. And that's going to take us to this screen. This is also where you can remove a device. If you click remove, and then you'll be able to select what device you want to remove. But to add a new one, we're going to click add. If we take a look at our phone screen, we'll see it pop up right there as Toyota Sienna. Go ahead and click that. Then we're going to make sure that this PIN number here matches the PIN number on our center screen. And it does, so we'll click pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'm not going to set any of that up right now. But as you can see, we're connected on our phone screen. And then if we take a look at our center screen, it's still finishing connecting. And as you can see, this is just telling me I may need to allow a message access. Skip that for now. But now we're connected on our center screen as well. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.